using a scenario produced in District Scenario Builder. I'll just tell you how I do it, and it may work for you. You may have other ways as well. You've worked with ArcMap quite a bit. Once I've produced a scenario and stored it in one of the columns out here, I'm not going to use this file to join, make the join in ArcMap. What I would rather do is take the schools in a particular scenario, copy that list over into a temporary file. I may call it ArcMap temp or joins or whatever, and then copy that list over here and save this file. And then use this file to make my join, since it's cleaner, no extra stuff, and it's just this sheet that I'm going to join to. That may help. It helps me anyway. Uh, be sure I'm making the correct join. And then in the attribute table, I just make the table join, populate the field from the join, remove the join, and then make the map with ES1. Using properties, this field, and again, it's important, we think, to keep the colors standard. So we import the color field from an existing one. If we make an ES2, which we will later on, we'll import this same color scheme to be able to compare the attendance boundaries more easily. So this is the current ES attendance boundary. The GAMS run that optimized, minimized distance traveled with constraints that we put in there is this. There's a little bit of a different color. There's a transparency option that allows you to make the colors less bold. For instance, you can see, I believe this is Alamance, and under this optimization isn't as large. You may see things changing down here in the high point area as well. This is without forcing base planning segments to magnet schools.